know what you're filming, so you will have an idea what the type of footage or your story or some video.
Reporting for WUTV, Miss Lauren Marie Baker.
That was good. That was good.
Reporting for WUTV. I'm Dre Norris. That is
Yeah. Oh, you just threw me off. Let's start from the beginning. Reporting for WUTV. Good job.
Reporting for WTV, I'm not James Jones.
Our top stories. UWG is not immune to this common problem.
All right.
We started?
We're starting to cold open.
Right. So whatever we're gonna preview is gonna go automatically. You get it?
Yeah. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back on cam.
Is that what?
15.